Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing today's market update. We start with the news that over 27,000 RBoS shareholders who were wiped out in the bank's 2008 rights issue are due compensation totaling £1 billion. RBoS Shareholders Action Group will go to court today to finalise arrangements for a landmark hearing next year, and it is understood that the group wants the hearing moved from March to April to accommodate new lawyers and for former RBoS chief exec Fred Goodwin to be a lead witness. They are taking legal action against the bank and former management for allegedly misleading investors ahead of a £12 billion fundraising in 2008. The bank subsequently required a £45 billion taxpayer rescue, wiping off most of the share value. Another bank coming under legislative fire is Swiss lender Credit Suisse, with the US Department of Justice ordering the bank to pay between $5 to $7 billion to settle a probe into its sale of toxic mortgage securities in the run-up to the 2008 crisis. Management at Credit Suisse will look to pursue a lower settlement, with the payment much higher than analysts expect. In Brexit news, UK Prime Minister Theresa May has stated that the UK could continue to pay into the EU budget if the deal represents good value for money. Responding to questions in Parliament, May did not directly rule out the possibility of continuing to pay into the EU even once Britain has left, provided they give good value for money and meet the UK government's objectives. In indices news, the UK 100 is currently trading 10 points lower than its open at around the 7,000 mark, whilst the Germany 30 is trading up on its opening price around 11,440 mark. In corporate news, Lloyds Banking Group has announced it will acquire MBNA, a £7 billion UK consumer credit card business from Bank of America. Kia Group has been awarded a new 15-year contract with Highways of England worth around £140 million. Old Mutual has announced the closing of an underwritten public offering of 14.95 million of its ordinary shares, sold at $14.25 per share. Asian shares have mostly traded higher today, with the exception of China and Hong Kong, after the Bank of Japan announced its decision to hold negative interest rates and 10-year government bond yielded target at around 0%. Thank you for listening.